Hello everyone, let's take a look at the market today. Now yesterday, as you know, we're expecting the euro dollar to pop its head up, and I did put this target up here yesterday. This was a channel yesterday, nice little breakout, pull back at the goodbye kiss, another breakout, and then a goodbye kiss on this level as well, 1.0755, just slightly above actually. There we go, and pull up. So hopefully we're going to end up here today, and we're going to take some good profits. Okay, so follow that through. Sounds like a good idea according to my technical analysis anyway. Let's take a look at the pound dollar. One more, pound dollar, euro dollar, they're going together. I said yesterday was good for recall, and this was the Fibonacci that I drew yesterday, as you know. So the market pulled back to the 50 level, now it's pulling up, so possibly going to head up to around this area again, or even higher to the channel top. I don't know about the channel top, but definitely we're going to have a higher pound dollar today. Let's take a look at the dollar franc. Obviously this is going to be the opposite of the euro dollar. Yesterday around here I did mention we'll probably want to be pulling back down, and this is where we're heading right now. We're pulling kind of down. Actually, let me just do something fresh here with this point and that point there. Okay, so hopefully we should see around 1.0020 or slightly lower even. All right, so follow that through. Dollar franc possibly to mess around here today, tomorrow's Friday. Obviously we've got no news tomorrow. We've got a few news coming out from the US today, so it's good I think it's just going to come to the bottom of this channel, and maybe even break it down to reach that one level, because one is going to be the critical level for the dollar franc, so I think it's going to push it down to retest the one level. Okay, let's take a look at the dollar Canadian. Oops, let's do this. There we go. Now, look, yesterday we were down on this. I even put the arrow down. I think I put the arrow where you can see it on our blog site actually. So if you're in the blog, this was the level to kind of, like the market is just screaming out, this is our resistance. We want to sell here, so the market sold here. It's quite easy if you know what you're doing. Now what I have to do is make a little bit of an adjustment on this and just make some minor alterations to measure where that fall is going to happen. And as you can see, that's the kind of place that it's going to be coming down to, and that shouldn't surprise us. Those are our targets. As the market changes, we change and adapt with it, and that's called technical analysis. So if you know it, great, use it. Okay, and on top of that, let's see what we've got here. Will that be something worthwhile? Possibly this might be worthwhile. So the market will probably end up around here if it carries on with this fall. I reckon it will come and test these levels. Let's see where we're at. It broke that level, so the next level possibly around here. Okay, and yep, so we'll probably see it around 1.3160, 50 down here. Okay, so another odd 60, 70 points there, I reckon. Let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. Now with the Aussie dollar yesterday we said it would go as same as the euro dollar, and it did kind of move up, and this is great. And look at the level where we want to sell. Look at that, this is a beauty. The reason it's a beauty is because there's a channel here which matches a Fibonacci 50 level on the channel top. So this baby is going to push up probably, according to my technical analysis. That's how I'm thinking anyway. And if it does, next week we're probably going to see some U-turns going down to follow that channel downwards. Okay, so that's going to be an option there to follow with the Aussie dollar. Dollar yen, look, yesterday I said we're going to straddle this trade. If it breaks down this, go short. If it breaks up, go long, and look what happened. Dollar yen coming nice and easy downwards. Where's it going to go down to? Well, that's always a nice question to ask. Let's see. We need to do something new now here, okay, simply because we've got a market that's kind of turning into a sideways direction. The reason that's happening is this. Okay, we've got two tops here, all right, double top, so possibly the market is going to be coming down to around here. That's 112.81, so we're probably going to have this level as a support. That's one thing. Second of all, maybe, just maybe, the market might come down even lower next week and kind of pick up from the bottoms there. All right, so this is also a possibility. Right, so this is not a bad kind of scenario here. Now the market's going sideways. Now once the market comes down to these levels or these levels, then what we want to do is carry on with this huge up move, because that's a rectangle within an up move. So the market's taking a bit of a breather, and once that breather is over, we're going to carry on going long. So all you need to do is keep buying at the bottoms, I reckon, because supports are good to buy according to technical analysis, so that's a good idea. So when they drop down, buy cheap and ride the wave onwards. And if anything different happens, obviously in our day-to-day technical analysis, we'll let you know and see how that technical analysis is changing. So just keep following it and just don't jump blindly into any trade. Let's take a look at gold. Now yesterday we did say this was a good opportunity to go long as the market kind of breaks up here. So we've got a target here. This channel line here is beautiful target. Market will probably push up to here on this channel line, if not even higher, to around this level again. Okay, so that's good. I think we just get rid of that. I think this trade is over. If you were in yesterday, you were in. Okay, what can I tell you? If you missed the train, you missed the train. One other thing we can do possibly is this. As you can see, this is the kind of support area. Yeah, so if the market pops its head back down here, that'd be a nice little support level to buy in order to push it up to these levels. I don't know if it will break this channel, but definitely buying here to getting out there is an option there if the market does pull back. Let's take a look at Brent. Okay, no big dramas here. All right, there you go. So Brent, there we go. No big dramas there. This, we had the up move there. The market, as you know, you remember this channel, nice little breakout, pull back in order to go long. I did mention if we go above this channel, we're going to hit around the 60 mark. I think this is going to be a good level to buy again. I think that's a nice little U-turn location to head towards the 60 level. Isn't that fab? All right, hope that helps. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. What about DAX? As you might recall, a few days ago we did DAX. I said if it breaks this resistance, it's going to go nuts. Okay, and finally it has gone mad. So we're probably going to see DAX up around here. Obviously this is not the place to buy. The place to buy is just up here. Okay, where the breaking was. This is the daily chart. So let's move that to a 4-hour. You'll see nice and clean. Okay, there you go. Okay, nice little breakout. Good to follow in order to push it all the way up there. And Dow also we had a look at. And Dow, I did mention go long because that's what the trend was telling us. This was the best way to trade this nice little up move here. If you look at the daily, okay, we had a nice breakout there. It's just following it all the way up there. We might see the Dow all the way up there. All right, so hope that helps. Have a good day trading. No news tomorrow on Friday. So today look out for the news and follow your trades on tomorrow. All the best.